Aloha and welcome back to my C8 Corvette Bread Rack build, daily brief. When we left off, I was doing a brace. Well, I completed the brace. Lowe's finally called me back at 2, but they screwed up my angle iron order 3 times. Anyway, I made the brace out of 1-inch flat aluminum. I decided the best and easiest way to attach it was to cut a groove in it about a 1/2 inch down on the flat iron. As you can see, the groove fits the 1.5 inch angle iron. Now I will install it in the car to show you how it works. Okay, there's the brace. It holds the rack on both sides, and it's a snug fit. It's on either side of these two bread rack rails, and it holds the rack in perfect position under the rubber seals. So that's where we end up today. One more thing completed. Tomorrow I finally got the angle iron, so I'll be installing the second tier. Aloha and stay safe.